we're starting week 2 in business law. You should have done everything through the 101 assessment. So if you're behind, you need to get caught up. We're doing 1.02, and we're starting to do our court proceedings and trial systems. You can see you've got discussions, textbook readings, several guided practices, which are discussions, 2 landmark cases, and a quiz on this page. And then you've got the 102 exam, which you can take twice. One thing I want to remind you on discussions, if they're class discussions where you can see each other's posts, you're supposed to get full credit, reply to at least one person, because that's our classroom talk. That's how I know you're getting it. If you have any questions, you've all joined the Remind, send me a message. Those of you that have messaged me, I really appreciate it. I know we've had some issues with Haiku today, but it seems to be working better now. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be glad to help you.